Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Freeplay in Bloons TD 6 full guide. Use the main menu to select Freeplay, choose your map and difficulty, then start with a clear build plan. Focus on early economy, steady income towers, and consistent popping power. Balance sending rounds only if it benefits your cash flow, and scale your defense with late-game abilities. I'll walk you through tower choices, upgrades, and late-game tips to hold as long as possible. Start by securing a reliable income source and basic popping towers to handle early waves. Build a stable economy with banana farms or similar, and avoid overspending on niche upgrades. Place complementary towers that cover weaknesses and can scale into stronger roles later. Keep at least one tower that can handle commo or lead variants early. This mindset sets you up to transition smoothly into mid- and late-game Freeplay endurance. In mid-game, convert income into power by upgrading core towers and unlocking key abilities. Aim for towers that scale well into late rounds and stagger upgrades to avoid income dips. Use abilities proactively to clear tight rounds and maintain a safe buffer. Replace temporary units with long-term staples as your economy allows. Keep an eye on Bloon types and adapt your anti-commo and anti-lead measures to prevent sudden losses.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.